Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. In this part, we'll share fun topping ideas, ways to customize your shave ice, and tips for making it even more delicious. Crafting the perfect sweet syrup. Store-bought syrups work, but homemade lets you play with flavors. The base is simple: sugar, water, and extracts or fruit. Here's how to make it shine. Simmer, don't boil. Heat equal parts water and sugar just until the sugar dissolves. Boiling too long turns it into candy syrup, thick and sticky. Infuse flavor slowly. Add fruit puree, zest, or extracts after removing from heat. Citrus peels or vanilla beans steeped in warm syrup at depth. Balance sweetness. Add a pinch of salt or a splash of citrus juice to keep syrups from tasting flat. Popular variations. Berry syrup. Mash ripe strawberries or raspberries, strain, and mix into the base. Tropical twist. Blend mango or pineapple with a touch of honey for natural sweetness. Candy inspired. Melt down hard candies, like butterscotch, into the syrup for a nostalgic kick. For extra richness, drizzle condensed milk over the top. Or toss in mochi pieces for a chewy contrast. The best part. You can mix flavors mid-bowl, no rules, just sweet, icy fun. Note: store syrups in squeeze bottles for easy drizzling. They'll keep for weeks in the fridge. The cultural and social impact of sweet shave ice. Sweet shave ice isn't just dessert, it's a shared moment. Whether enjoyed under festival lights or as a simple treat on a hot day, it brings people together. Cultures around the world have turned it into a symbol of celebration and everyday joy. Sweet shave ice at festivals and gatherings. In Hawaii, no luau is complete without a towering cup of shave ice. Tropical flavors like lilikoi and guava mirror the vibrant energy of the event. It's not just food, it's part of the experience, handed to guests alongside music and hula dancing. Japan's summer festivals feature kakigori booths, where matcha or strawberry syrup shaved ice offers relief from the humidity. Kids clutch rainbow-colored cups while adults sip on versions drizzled with sweetened condensed milk. The treat is as much a fixture as fireworks and yukata robes. Even in the US, sweet shave ice steals the show. County fairs. Neon bright syrups draw lines of families, sticky-fingered and smiling. Beach stands. Boardwalk vendors scoop fluffy ice into cones, a staple of seaside trips. Street markets. Food trucks elevate it with toppings like fresh fruit or boba pearls. It's a universal language, no translation needed. A dessert for all ages. Kids love sweet shave ice for its sugar rush and playful colors. Bright blue bubble gum or cotton candy flavors turn an ordinary day into something special. But adults get their own twists, like mango with chili lime or black sesame syrup over creamy ice. The appeal crosses generations because it's adaptable. Simple or sophisticated. Choose basic fruit syrups or artisanal combinations like lychee rose. Shareable or solo. Split a giant mound at a party or enjoy a personal cup on the go. Nostalgic or new. Stick to childhood favorites or try trendy flavors like ube. It's the rare treat that fits a toddler's birthday party and a rooftop cocktail hour equally well. Tips for enjoying sweet shave ice at home. Making sweet shave ice at home is easier than you think. With the right tools and a little creativity, you can turn your kitchen into a tropical dessert stand. Here's how to nail the texture, flavors, and toppings for the perfect icy treat. Essential tools for homemade shave ice. You don't need a professional setup to make great shave ice. Start with these basics. Ice shaver. The key to fluffy texture. Electric shavers, like the Hawaiian Shave Ice brand, work fastest, but manual crank models, or even a sturdy blender on low speed, can work in a pinch. Syrup bottles. Squeeze bottles with narrow tips help control syrup drizzle. Mason jars with pour spouts work too. Block ice. Regular ice cubes crumble unevenly. Freeze a loaf pan of water overnight for a solid block that shaves smoothly. Budget-friendly swaps. Use a box grater, fine side, for hand shaving. It takes elbow grease but works. Substitute fruit juice concentrates for syrups. Just thaw and mix with a little sugar. Pipettes or small spoons can stand in for syrup bottles if you're improvising. Creative toppings and mix-ins. Sweet shave ice is a blank canvas. While syrup is the star, toppings add texture and surprise. Try these combos. Fresh fruit. Mango chunks, strawberries, or kiwi slices add juicy bites. Creamy layers. Drizzle condensed milk or coconut cream over tropical flavors for richness. Chewy extras. Boba pearls, mochi pieces, or even tiny jelly cubes make each spoonful fun. Crunchy bits. Toasted coconut, crushed nuts, or granola give contrast to the soft ice. Pro tip. Mix flavors in the bowl. Try pineapple syrup with chili powder or strawberry with basil-infused syrup for a grown-up twist. Presentation matters too. Serve in a chilled bowl or a hollowed-out pineapple half for a tropical vibe. Or layer shave ice with toppings in a clear glass to show off the colors. The goal? Make it as Instagram-worthy as it is delicious. Sweet shave ice is more than a dessert. It's a burst of joy, a way to connect, and a chance to play with flavors. Whether you stick to classic strawberry or mix mango with chili salt, every bite offers something new. Try making it at home, share a bowl with friends, or chase down that perfect tropical combo from a roadside stand. The best part? There's no wrong way to enjoy it. So grab a spoon, pick a flavor, and let the sweetness do the rest. What's your favorite way to top shave ice? Tag us in your next icy creation. We're always hunting for the next great combo. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.